Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to resize font in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, understanding how to manage text size in the DuckduckGo application is beneficial for adjusting readability based on your preferences or specific needs. Whether you need a larger text for better visibility or prefer smaller text for more content on the screen. Being able to customize the text size can enhance your browsing experience and make it more comfortable for you. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckduckGo application. Okay, so now you can open any website you need. Okay, after that, to change the font size, simply tap this option and then click the down arrow next to font size option. Okay, and here you can select one of the several available options. Okay, and then the font size is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to resize font in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.